Welcome to Market Insights, informed news and analysis powered by TradeStation. I'm David Russell on today's Tuesday, March 6th. Most traders have focused on the rally in technology over the last year, but another major trend has been weakness in the US dollar. Today's a good time to revisit the story because some important things have happened and more catalysts are looming. The greenback tried to rally last week as Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell talked about hiking interest rates. But then, 2 days later, the dollar fell after President Trump slapped tariffs on foreign steel. Today, it kept sliding on reports that North Korea will stop developing nuclear weapons. What's going on? Here are some possible explanations. First, before he was president, Trump complained that other countries kept their own currencies too cheap. That, he said, gave them an unfair advantage exporting products into the U.S. market. But things seem to have changed after his election. Suddenly, authorities overseas let their currencies appreciate against the dollar. A coincidence, or were they buckling under pressure? The reaction to last week's steel news suggests they were buckling. After all, fewer imports should lift the greenback. The fact that the opposite happened could mean that the bigger trend remains intact, with the former real estate developer simply jawboning our currency lower. Secondly, today's news from Korea was viewed as a sign of easing tensions in a key economic zone. Does that make Washington less likely to take punitive steps against Beijing, which, after all, has backed Pyongyang? So far, the market seems to think that this is good news for China, the world's biggest emerging market. Trend followers may see these headlines playing out on the charts. Last week, the US dollar index crumbled at its falling 50-day moving average. A large bearish engulfing candle resulted, which is when a higher high fails to hold and vaporizes into a lower low. Other potential catalysts are coming soon. Tomorrow brings ADP's private sector payrolls data and the Fed's Beige Book survey of economic conditions. Thursday, European central bankers announce monetary policy. The week concludes with American non-farm payrolls Friday morning, which is typically viewed as the most important economic event each month. Want more information on how traders are playing the weak dollar? Be sure to visit our news feed at tradestation.com/marketinsights for more. Thanks for watching.